after 7 years, on our 8th year, this is the first time that we've actually merged our Intrapreneurs Night together with an outing. Naisip namin na baka mas masaya, diba? We come together and then Intrap Night and we celebrate during the day and during the following day as Intrapreneurs.
How do I define a superhero? A superhero must have courage. Tapang!
Is the one who saves the day.
A superhero takes action.
Lahat tayo pwede maging superhero.
When you are a superhero, you have superpowers na para bang kaya mo nang gawin ang lahat. So why is there a need for you to seek other people's help or to join another team?
How do I define a superhero? Dapat may tapang, courage. Kasi yung superhero tsaka villain, may superpowers sila eh. Pero yung superhero, may tapang na gawin ang tama.
Superheroes and then service excellence, they are much related actually, simply because at the end of every movie, these superheroes usually needs to defeat their enemies. So likewise, or in relationship to service excellence as partners, needs to defeat also our project timeline.
Help me find a way. Lost, never found. Hide your secret, settle down. I am young and I am naive. Tell me something I will believe. Take me far away from this city so decay. Get away till I was 18. I only saw colors on a TV screen. Skinny jeans and sunglasses, a fashion statement for the masses. What you do makes me sick. Overhyped and generic. Shine like the sun. Spread your warmth to everyone. I asked you where people die. You said we all have design. Slide into the sea. Landslide coming down on me. I said I was into you. You said you were into me. And your heart is stone. I look for you. Body on the past. Looks like this love wasn't meant to last. You said you reap just what you sow. So tell me, where does your garden grow? You said in time the pain will pass. Looks like the end is so last.
Kung ano man yung power ng superheroes, ito yung dedikasyon nila sa pagtapos ng task nila or ng trabaho nila.
Siguro kung pipili ako ng superpower, I think it would be omnipotence. Bakit omnipotence? Kasi gusto ko mapunan yung siguro kulang sa team or kung may lumapit sa akin na kailangan ng tulong, gusto ko nandun yung ability para makatulong.
I can relate our team superhero to service excellence
Because in order for you to provide quality service, you have to understand and know what exactly what your client really needs.
So, kailangan kasi nila para we work as a team, and then kumbaga sa problemang kinakaharap natin, sa client, sa project, kumbaga mas magandang ma-resolve natin ito na sama-sama.
Situation, siguro as the one handling payroll, I talk to the bank and ask them if they can proceed dun sa opening and sa activation. Kung siguro yung convincing power na tinatawag. Kaya kalma lang tayo kasi I'm here to help you the best way I can and the best way I know.
Shattered time, the pain would pass. Looks like the end is here at last.
We 24/7 entrepreneurs are superheroes. We solve problems, we provide them what they need. We save the day.
I'm very pleased at our turnout today and at the level of participation of each and every one of you. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much.